Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 a.m. English. Imagine this. You walk into a store and the way the staff speaks to you makes you feel like the most important person in the room. Interesting, right? That's the magic of customer centered vocabulary. In today's video, I'll show you the exact words and phrases that make your clients feel valued and keep them coming back. So, let's get started with the first word, customize. It means to modify a product or service to meet individual client needs. For example, we can customize your package according to your preferences. Next one is preference, meaning a greater liking for one option over another. For example, we respect your preference for eco-friendly packaging. Satisfaction, meaning a sense of happiness or fulfillment after receiving a product or service. For example, your satisfaction is our top priority. Support, meaning assistance provided to customers when they face issues. For example, our 24/7 support team is ready to help you. Assistance, help or aid offered to someone. For example, we are here to provide assistance whenever you need it. Valued, meaning considered important and appreciated. For example, every client is valued in our business. Loyalty, meaning a customer's willingness to return to the same brand. For example, we reward customer loyalty with exclusive discounts. Feedback, information provided by customers about their experience. For example, your feedback helps us improve our services. Experience, the overall impression a customer gets from a service or product. For example, we could say, we aim to create a seamless shopping experience. Empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of customers. For example, our staff listens with empathy to your concerns. Courtesy, politeness in dealing with others. We treat all clients with courtesy and respect. Responsiveness, quick reaction to customer needs or issues. For example, we are known for our fast responsiveness to requests. Trust, confidence in a company's reliability and honesty. For example, we build trust by delivering on our promises. Care, meaning showing concern for a customer's needs. For example, we handle every order with care. Relationship, the connection between a company and its clients. For example, we maintain a strong relationship with our clients. Quality, the standard of a product or service. For example, we never compromise on product quality. Attention, focus given to a customer's needs. For example, we pay close attention to every detail of your order. Appreciation, recognition of a customer's value. We show appreciation with thank you gifts. Understanding, awareness of what the customer truly wants. For example, we take time to develop a deep understanding of clients' needs. Commitment, dedication to serving customers well. Our commitment is to exceed customer expectations. Flexibility, willingness to adapt to customer requests. For example, we offer flexibility in payment options. Communication, the exchange of information with customers. Clear communication keeps clients informed. Guarantee, a promise of product or service quality. We offer a money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied. Recognition, acknowledging a customer's importance or loyalty. For example, We give recognition to our long-term clients. Personalization, tailoring services or products to individual preferences. We offer personalization for each client's order. See, words aren't just words, they are bridges that connect you to your clients' hearts. Use these customer centered phrases, and you won't just serve customers, you will build relationships. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 5 a.m. English Loop for more powerful ways to upgrade your English and your impact. Bye.